How to link Instagram to TikTok. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to link your Instagram account into TikTok. So first, I'm going to show you how you can link it via TikTok first. So once you log in into your TikTok account, just head straight into your profile page at the lower right, and then right side of your page name, you should be able to see edit. Tap on that. And then in here, under basic info, you should be able to see an option that says link. Just simply tap on link and choose Instagram. However, if you would like to do it via the Instagram application, is make sure that you're logged in again. And then in here, tap on edit profile. Scroll down and then choose links. And then in here, choose on add link. And this is where you can actually add your TikTok link or TikTok profile. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to add link Instagram to TikTok.